The only way to handle danger is to face it. If you start getting frightened of it, then you make it worse, because you project onto it all kinds of bogies and threats which don't exist in it at all. Don't be frightened. The rule for all terrors is head straight into them. When you are sailing in a storm, you don't let a wave hit your boat on the side. You go bow into the wave and ride it. And just it so happens that these things give you the opportunity to go into some of your very, very most closely kept skeletons. And the result of that is invariably beneficial.
Life isn't just black and white, or black or white. There are many shades of grey. Here's this question of, is you is or is you ain't? In fact, all information whatsoever can be translated into terms of yang. So exoterically, outwardly, the positive and the negative of life are very different. Life is different from death, and good is different from evil. But esoterically, the secret is that they are one.